Verbena plants are popular choices for gardeners due to their vibrant flowers and ability to attract butterflies and bees. These versatile plants come in various colors, including shades of purple, pink, red, and white, and they thrive in both garden beds and containers. If you're interested in adding verbena plants to your garden, this video will guide you through the steps of growing and caring for them, ensuring they flourish and enhance the beauty of your outdoor space. Selecting the right location. Verbena plants prefer full sun exposure, so choose a location in your garden that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. They can tolerate some light shade, but their flowering potential will be maximized in sunny areas. Ensure the soil is well drained, as verbena plants do not thrive in waterlogged conditions. Soil preparation. Prepare the soil before planting verbena by removing any weeds, rocks, or debris. It's advisable to amend the soil with organic matter such as compost or well-rotted manure to improve its drainage and fertility. This will provide a nutrient-rich environment for the verbena plants to establish themselves and thrive. Planting verbena. Verbena can be grown from seeds, seedlings, or transplants. If starting from seeds, sow them indoors 8 to 10 weeks before the last frost date, as they require a long germination period. Once the danger of frost has passed, you can transplant the seedlings outdoors, spacing them around 8 to 12 inches apart. Alternatively, you can purchase young verbena plants from a nursery and transplant them directly into your garden. Watering. Verbena plants are relatively drought-tolerant once established, but they still require consistent watering during their initial growth period. Water them deeply once or twice a week, allowing the soil to dry out slightly between watering sessions. Be cautious not to overwater, as verbena plants are prone to root rot in waterlogged conditions. Adjust the watering frequency based on the weather conditions and rainfall in your area. Fertilizing. To encourage healthy growth and abundant blooms, fertilize your verbena plants regularly. Apply a balanced, slow-release fertilizer according to the package instructions at the beginning of the growing season. Alternatively, you can use a water-soluble fertilizer every 2 to 3 weeks throughout the growing season. Avoid over-fertilizing, as excessive nutrients can lead to more foliage growth and fewer flowers. Pruning. Pruning verbena plants is essential to maintain their compact shape and promote continuous blooming. Regularly deadhead spent flowers by removing them just above the next set of leaves or a branching point. This process prevents the plants from setting seeds and redirects their energy towards producing new blooms. Additionally, you can trim back the plants by 1/3 in late summer to encourage a second flush of flowers. Winter care. In regions with mild winters, verbena plants may survive as perennials. However, in colder climates, they are often treated as annuals. If you wish to overwinter verbena plants, cut them back to a few inches above the ground after the first frost. Apply a layer of mulch around the base to insulate the roots. In spring, new growth will emerge from the base, and you can remove the mulch once the danger of frost has passed. Growing and caring for verbena plants can be a rewarding experience for gardeners of all skill levels. With their dazzling flowers, tolerance to heat, and ability to attract pollinators, verbena plants are a delightful addition to any garden or container. By providing them with the right growing conditions, adequate water, occasional fertilization, and proper pruning, you can enjoy a vibrant display of verbena blooms throughout the growing season.